This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a SIM card in a Lenovo Thinkpad. Begin by powering off the laptop and locating the SIM tray or WAN slot. Remove the battery if required on older models, then insert the Nano SIM into the tray with contacts down. Reinsert the tray, power on, and enable WAN in BIOS or network settings to register to your carrier. Start warm and relaxed. Find the SIM tray on your ThinkPad, often near an edge or under the battery compartment. Use the eject tool or a pin to slide the tray out carefully, then position the Nano SIM so the cut corner matches the tray outline. Gently push the tray back in until it clicks, then restart the laptop and proceed to software setup to get connected comfortably. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for your car to banish stale odors and keep your gear smelling fresh while you travel between sites and hotspots. I linked the product and other deals in the description, so check that out for an easy find. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once the hardware is in, install the WAN driver from Lenovo support or let Windows Update locate the driver automatically. Open Device Manager to confirm the mobile adapter is enabled and not showing errors. Then open Network Settings, add a new mobile broadband connection, and enter your carrier APN if required. Test the connection by loading a simple web page and monitor signal strength to ensure reliable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.